moisturize the lips, but you know what I'm saying? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? Hey. Whoa.
Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Wait. First of all, you're not gonna speed past that like you didn't just say what you just said.
Pause. Some of you man are man them watching me do that though. Pause. Alright, cool.
My account say I need to slow it down with these Dior garments. Close my eyes and think about where I come from when I'm performing. I'm on top of every dime, I check my balance every morning.
What's good, family? It's your boy SNK.
I'm put that way in Germany, and the price is getting high.
You know what I'm saying? Hope you guys are all feeling good, looking good, and smelling good. Wagwan familia, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so every single one of you have clicked this video to hear me say trading is a scam. Listen, let me tell you for free. It's a scam. It does not work. It's not going to work for the majority of you. But there is a small, tiny minority of you guys who are going to be able to make in the foreign exchange market. Just like any other industry in this world, right? Becoming a full player that plays in the Premier League or the Championship, you know, Champions League. I don't really know too much about football, but that's rare. You know, starting a business like Microsoft or Apple, rare. You know what I'm saying? Going to the NBA, I had hoop dreams myself. Rare, man. You know what I'm saying? Becoming a rapper, rare. Actually, that's not too rare these days. But becoming a profitable Forex trader that makes, you know, millions and billions. I haven't made millions and billions myself, you know what I'm saying? But get to a point where you can actually make a full-time living on the income. It's hard, it's rare. You know, most people tell you when you start trading, you need £100 to start trading Forex. Now listen, if you're doing risk management, which I recommend, you need about £30,000. About £30,000, maybe 60,000 pounds, 5% risk, that's about £3,000. That's enough to live, you know what I'm saying? That's enough to live, have a little bit of savings as well. You got maybe you got a missus, you man share the bills on that crib you wanna put in, you man are lit. You know what I'm saying? Or maybe £30,000, but you do 10%, it's a bit hard on 1% risk. Listen, it's all possible, it's just a bit hard, you know what I'm saying? I've been scammed before, you know what I'm saying? Like, I've been scammed before, you know, when I first started trading, I joined the group. That group, as soon as I joined that group, the group disappeared, everyone left the group chat. I just took out a loan from a loan shark to get started, but you know, we here now, we made it, you know what I'm saying? Guys, it's hard, man. You gotta work hard, man. Like, do you know how many sleepless nights, how many times I lost money in the market? I could go on stories, bro, telling you guys about how I lost money. I lost the 8K account after grinding and saving to get the 8K account and lost everything within a month. You know what I'm saying? Tell you about times that, how many times I opened up a £100 account or £50 account, flipped that account to 3 grand, 10 grand, and lost that account the next day. Listen, it's part of the game, guys. Listen, it's hard. You know what I'm saying? And trading is a scam. You know what I'm saying? For those of you that quit, it is a scam 100%. And there are people out there who are going through it right now, and you guys need trading to work right now. And for those of you, I've been there, I feel you. But trust me when I tell you, it is a lot sweeter when you wait your time, okay? It's a lot sweeter when you wait your time. All these L's you're taking, they're eventually going to be your stories, you know what I'm saying? But you got to wait for that. You got to wait for that to happen, guys. You got to believe, you know what I'm saying? You got to believe, you got to have faith. You got to grind, man. You got to grind to shine. You got to let your journey be your journey, you know what I'm saying? Your time is divine. Your time is appointed, you know what I mean? So the Lord says, it is all destined. Do you know what I'm saying? It's destiny. If you're meant to be here, you're going to be here. You're not going to quit. Even when you want to quit, you're not going to quit. You're going to get back on that laptop, get back on them charts the next day. And you're going to keep on grinding. And you're going to keep on doing what you got to do. You're going to keep doing the things you don't want to do. You know what I mean? You're going to make it. Even right now as I'm making this video, bro, the side of my body hurts, bro. You know what I'm saying? I was hospitalized, you see me? But I'm still here making the video. I'm still grinding. Why? Because this is what I want. This is what I want to do. So I'm making it happen. And the same exact thing happened for you guys. Listen, guys. Trading is a scam for those that make it a scam. But for those of you guys who actually want to make it happen, I'm about to give you guys the keys to make it happen, okay? I'm going to tell you guys all the real, legit stuff you need to know to actually become a profitable trader. First things first, does trading work? Can you actually make a lifestyle out of it? Is it actually a scam? Guys, no. You can fully create a lifestyle for yourself being a full-time trader. It just takes time. Now, for the average person, it's going to actually take you the realness of 3 to 5 years, okay? Because most people mess up, don't listen to their mentor, try to do it for free, start with low amounts of money, you know, have bad man, all that nonsense, bad risk, all that stuff, right? Most people have that, do you know what I'm saying? If you do it the right way, no joke, legitly, you can actually become a profitable trader in like a year, you know what I mean? If you do it the right way, I'm gonna tell you guys the right way. First things first, get yourself £2,000. I don't know how you're finna do that, get yourself 2 grand. That 2 grand is actually not for the markets. That 2 grand is to invest in your education, okay? The reason I said 2 grand is not because you're gonna pay for a 2 grand course, but it's just because you might buy a shit course, but you might get scammed. So have some extra money till you find, like, it shouldn't take you more than 3 chances, you know what I'm saying, literally, before you actually find a good course to teach you a good strategy, you know what I mean? So yeah, that's the first thing you're gonna do, guys. Get yourself 2 grand, find yourself an educator, find yourself a mentor. Now your mentor, you want him to provide a lot of value for you, do you know what I'm saying? You want him to be really and truly be going above and beyond. Now I'm gonna be real with you guys, all these Forex courses you're seeing out here, I'm gonna be honest with you, they are very, very cheap. Even when you see a 10K course, it is actually very, very cheap. For myself, for example, like I've made more than 10K in the market. So I've gained the value of 10K, you know what I'm saying? So it is actually worth it. But I'm not gonna say go buy yourself 10K courses. That's not your price range, right? There's courses out there, 500, 200, 300, 1,000, 2 grand. Like they're out there, man. You can find those courses from real deal traders, real deal educators who are doing their thing, you know what I mean? Like we have our courses as well. It isn't 2 grand, it's not 20 grand either, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just affordable, you know what I'm saying? People like myself that come up in the industry. But what I said, like I said, you want value, guys, right? You want a course, for sure. You want to have some sort of like maybe one-on-one mentorship, maybe some, you know, weekly calls. Someone's going to reply back to you when you message them. Different things like that, man. Someone that can help you with your mental, coach you, someone who's been through the real, comes from a similar background to yourself in terms of struggle. Like, do they come from being broke? Or do they have a job so they understand the struggle of like trying to do 9 to 5 in trading, for example, right? Do they have other businesses? They have a lot of money. Like you don't have people that you relate to and that can help you like have that form that kind of connection with them that's going to keep you in the grind, you know what I'm saying? Keep you in those trenches, keep you hustling, okay? So that's that right now. You're going to basically spend about a year learning, guys. I'm telling you guys the real spill, right? You don't want to be on your live. You don't want to be like thinking about making money in trading for about a year. That's the real spill. You want to be grinding heavy for about a year of just grinding heavy, learning how to trade, overly backtesting the strategy you're being taught till it's in your brain, bro. You gotta crunch them numbers, family, right? Every single day on whatever pairs you trade, backtest price action for a year, 6 months worth of price action backtesting every single day, right? Your goal at the end of the year, if you don't already have 30, 60K worth of capital, is to become a funded trader. Guys, are funded accounts real? Can you get funded? Is it legit? I'm here to tell you it's real, it's legit. You know what I'm saying? It is definitely a thing. It's a thing that people can do. Like, we got funded traders in our group. It's something that is achievable and something that for myself personally, if I knew about funded accounts 5 years ago, I'd be in a completely different position today. Do you know what I mean? They are one of the most sickest things, in my opinion, funded accounts, guys. They are the one. They are legit. They are the real spill. You know what I'm saying? The real deal. And everyone has opportunity to get a funded account, but don't just rush into it. Just because they're there, just go spend your 1 grand, you know what I'm saying? Your whole monthly income. Try to do a funded challenge that you know for a fact you're gonna fail because you have never had a profitable month before or been profitable for 3 months straight. And you're just gonna go put that money in there, you're gonna lose that money, it's gonna be peak for you. Do you know what I'm saying, guys? Listen, grind for a year, get your mentor to give you a blueprint, a plan, actionable plan that if you complete this plan, at that point you will now prove to yourself that you're ready to be a funded trader. Just to give you guys a free tip, listen, if you haven't done 3 months of profitability, I don't think you should go for a funded trader. That's a funded account personally, do you know what I'm saying? It doesn't make no sense. If you had 1 month profitable, you're not ready for funded, do you know what I'm saying? You might pass it, but you're gonna lose the account. Most people lose their account, so I wouldn't advise it, do you know what I'm saying? That's the real spill, I'm gonna give you guys a real spill. Let me give you some more real spill. Real spill is this, right? Your next trade is not gonna change your life, so don't put too much pressure on each trade you take. A lot of people put a lot of pressure on every trade they take. They need it to be a win. Guys, no one has 100% strike rate. Nobody. You're gonna lose trades, you know what I mean? It's just part of the game. No one like goes crazy. Like last month I had, I believe, 5 wins, 5 losses, you know what I'm saying? Still ended the month profitable, about 6% profit. Profitable is profitable, man. That's all that actually matters, is that you're making money more than you're losing. And as long as you have a big enough account, you're gonna sustain, you're gonna be cool, you're gonna make a living, man. You're gonna be able to do things that you wanna do and escape the lifestyle you're trying to escape, you know what I mean? That's the real spill, you know what I'm saying? Real spill, real deal, you dig me, you know what I'm saying? So more real spill is this, guys. Even if you start making some real money in trading, like, you know, 5 figures a month, don't go crazy in changing your lifestyle, man. Sustain, guys. Take your time, be comfortable. The thing about trading is this: it can become a reliable source of income, but you definitely want more than one income, for sure. You don't want trading to be your only income, because there's gonna be months where you struggle. I had a month this year where I took 1 trade, and that 1 trade was a loss, so I finished the month on -1%. So even though I'm massively profitable for the year, that 1 month, if I didn't have any other income sources, if I didn't have savings, if I didn't have other capital like preserves, what would I have done? You know what I'm saying? Like, what would I have done? So this is why I tell people, listen, don't just, you know, start making bare money, help Gucci, help the jewelers, start traveling, start doing this, get your first apartment, get your first car, all at once. Like, take your time. Do you know what I'm saying? Let the capital grow. Have a bigger picture, a bigger plan in mind. Not to say don't spoil yourself, you know what I'm saying? Dior yourself. But take your time with it, man. Don't be too silly with it, because it isn't always going to be roses and sunshine, you know what I'm saying? There's going to be those hard times. That doesn't mean your strategy isn't working, by the way. A lot of people, when they start taking losses, they think their strategy isn't working. No, it's probabilistic. Every strategy has its crazy up months and its crazy down months, and it's just normal months. You're on a strategy that can provide you a lot of great normal months, and then every now and again, sick months, and very, very rare, bad months. You know what I'm saying? That's what you want. But once again, that's something you have to backtest and backtest and backtest. Get that proof for yourself outside of real life conditions, because real life conditions cost money. You know what I'm saying? They cost you mentally as well. You know, taking losses can affect your mental. That is another real spill about trading, guys. It is not for the weak minded. It's not for the faint of heart. You need to be relentless if you want to be a full-time trader. You need to be willing to lose a lot of money. I have lost multiple 5 figures in this ish, you know what I'm saying? Investing in myself, investing in my education, investing on trying to get more capital. It is just part of the game, you know what I'm saying? It is not a cheap thing to start, 100%. You can start off with a little bit of money for sure, but it's not a cheap thing to start. Yes, you can pay for a 300k account for like £1,000, but that's a lot of money for a lot of people. That's like some of you guys full-time earnings or half of your earnings, and maybe you have like kids or a house or rent to pay. Like, listen, it's not easy, you know what I'm saying? But that's how much it costs to get started, you know what I'm saying? Like, it might cost you £1,000, but if you pass your challenge, you're gonna be up £300,000. If you make 10% on that account, you're making £30,000 a month. Even after reduction, you're still gonna make like over 25k after your split. So it's worth it, 100% it's worth it. But if you can't commit a year to doing the real hard work, the real grind, why should the market or the universe or God then reward you with this crazy lifestyle that will extend multiple decades? Do you know what I'm saying? Multiple decades, depending on your age. Most likely your watch is going to be between 20 and 40. Do you know what I'm saying? So you still got a lot of life left. You know what I'm saying? Human beings' expectancy of life is gone up, bro. We're going to live to like 90. Most of us going to live to like 90 as long as we ain't got no health complications. So there is a lot of lit truth in trading, do you get it? But you need to be willing to wait for it, do you know what I'm saying? Because if not, you're going to lose a lot of money. You're going to lose a lot of money trading, bro. I'm telling you for free. If you don't do it the right way, guys, take your time, you see me? This is a really random video. That's on top of the video today for real though. But hopefully you guys enjoyed that real spill. I might do a little series, you know what I'm saying? Next time it'll be a bit, this is a freestyle, real quick freestyle throwing it out there. I might make it a bit more organized next time. I might do like a little story time or something. You guys want some trading story times? Let me know. We could do a trader story time. I've got a funded trader interview coming out soon from one of our students, very, very soon. I've talked about that for a while, haven't dropped it yet, but I'm gonna drop that very soon. More breakdowns. I'm gonna trade right now, so I keep looking over here, one of my monitors. You know what I'm saying? We're up a cheeky 4,000 right now, you know what I'm saying? If it hits TP, might be a little 10k trade, you know what I'm saying? Something slight.
No.
But once again, I'm 5 years in the game, boy. Listen, it ain't always been like this, bro. I never like success. I used to have to take 72 trades a week to make £2,000 a week. That's the real grind that SNK's been on. Not to say that more trades equal more money, by the way. That was my strategy at the time, which I don't trade no more. I don't even trade that often, to be fair. Like, I didn't even trade last week. Like, so I had a month without trading while I took one trade, one loss. So it ain't always like, it's your journey, man. Your journey is your journey. I can go into it. I can explain my journey and my strategy, progression to trading strategy. I'm trading now. Generally been trading my life for the last 2.5 years. Of being consistent and like upwards curves consistent. But yeah, man, listen guys, I love you guys, appreciate you guys. Listen, make sure you drop a like, subscribe, comment, share. I'm gonna try to upload like every 2 days, man. I'm gonna try consistent out here in this bit. Enjoy that, and hopefully you guys enjoy transparency. That's what we're here to give, guys, transparency. But yeah, man, trading's a scam. It is what it is, man. Listen guys, I love you guys. Do your thing. We out here, man. Big ups yourself. Gang. It's your boy SNK. I'm gonna catch you out. Big up TFR, big up the 1%. Gang.